So this is what California looks like in February in the wintertime right here. I'm exploring one of my newly found favorite areas to hike with the best views within a 2-hour drive from the Bay Area called the Point Reyes region. There's a coastal trail right here that you have ocean views the whole time, or you can choose to take the amazing scenic route and just walk along the sand right here. I've seen maybe a total of 10 people, and I've hiked 8 miles total today. It's ridiculous. Just look out as far as you can see, and the ocean is like glass today. The next time you get some free time, please come to Point Reyes area.